After a decade of dreaming, years of planning, and months of hard work, the day is finally here. I want to take you on a tour of our brand new facility to show you what we've got to make sure we can churn out awesome builds, sick Jeeps and trucks for the four-wheel drive community. In the summer of 2004, we got the opportunity to make our entrance into the four-wheel drive world, and we started it with this small shop right behind me. As you can see, we've got 3 bays and 2 small offices in there, and many of you have been inside there and know what we've done in that great space. So today you can see that we've added quite a bit more. In this other shop, we can see it's all connected and it's an addition. There's an office and showroom there, as well as 9 bays that are attached and they're double stacked. Let's go inside and we'll check it all out. Welcome to the new showroom and office for Mount Zion Offroad. As you can see, we've got things set up just quite nicely, but we've got a few more things to add into this showroom. Over here, we've got a reception desk, and this will be where people drop off keys, pick up vehicles, and pay invoices when they're done with any project that we're doing. Over here, we've got 3 cubicles, and in the first cubicle is Roy. Many of you talk to him when doing sales or a quote. In the middle cubicle is John, who is behind the camera lens right now. He does all of our social media postings, so if you're commenting on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, you're talking to John. Behind him is Curtis. Curtis takes care of all of our service, and he is the frontline communicator between all of our techs and anybody that's having a vehicle serviced here in our shop. At the end here is my office, and you can see it's back there in that room over there. So if you come to the shop, make sure you say hi. I'm usually sitting right in here. Right up the ramp, this was something cool that we did, is an entrance into our old facility. Follow me, we'll do a quick checkout of what that looks like. It's kind of an empty shell now and kind of a mess because we're gonna rehab this side for our rhino linings. So if we take a quick peek in here, you can see we've just using it for some storage now. We got our forklift and stuff parked in here. But we're gonna rehab this and move our rhino lining facility, which is currently leased, into this space. So next, I'm gonna show you upstairs because our office has a little bit of a loft, which is kind of a cool place. Here's our loft, and you can see it's got a great view from the showroom. We're gonna also use this loft for any meetings that we need to have or our training sessions. A lot of the guys eat their lunch up here, so we do that together every Friday, the whole team. Back in the back here, we've got 3 different offices, and these offices are gonna be for some future growth. We're not done, and we've got a few more things to do. And so we've got offices just like this that will put desks and chairs and that kind of stuff in. Just a little hint, I'm thinking that we're gonna get into the vehicle sales business at some point again and sell only the best Raptors, Rubicons, Power Wagons, TRD Pro, the best vehicles on the market for off-road. So that might be a couple years away, but we're already here and we've got the space if we need it. One thing that's kind of cool I like about this loft area is the big windows. If you're up here, you can easily look out into the shop and see exactly what's going on. So maybe if you've got a vehicle here that's being worked on and you need to kill a few hours, you could hang out up here as well, watch your vehicle over there, and chill out here. Maybe we'll take a quick sneak peek while we're up here into our mechanical room. The nuts and bolts of this place is pretty neat, and we spent a lot of time thinking about that. Right here are all the boiler systems, and I really like seeing all that copper pipe. It almost looks like some artwork. But we've got heated floors out in the shop and in the showroom. So they're pumping 120-degree on-demand water out through that shop, and it makes for a really nice, warm floor where heat is rising up out of the floor. It makes it really nice to work in. Usually, my feet are always cold, so being out there with a nice heated floor is awesome to be in. So let's go out and see the shop because I know everybody's excited about that, and I'm just as excited to show it to you as well. Before we go out there, I want to show you we've got a bunch of transparency out into the shop. One thing I really like about it is this giant garage door. With this garage door, we can open this up, move a couple things around outside there, and pull a vehicle inside the showroom. Super cool because we've got a lot of vehicles that we like to display, and so we might park something cool here at some point, maybe put a rooftop tent on it, or who knows what, maybe just a chassis. It'd be neat to see what we get stuffed in here. Let's go out into the shop. This is where all the magic happens. So here we are. This is the shop. This is where it all happens. As you can see, these bays are double stacked. We've got 4 garage doors on the front of the building and 5 garage doors on the back of the building. Gives us 9 bays to do things in. All the lifts in here are rated at 10,000 pounds, except 2 big ones right here and down at the far end of the building. This lets us work on stuff that's got really tall roofs or is really heavy, like the 25 and 3500 trucks that a lot of you guys drive. Let's keep going. We'll show you. This is something we're all excited to have, and it is a flush mount alignment rack made by Hunter Engineering. All of the equipment in our building, when it comes to alignments, tire changers, and tire machines, are made by Hunter Engineering. We really like the features that they provide and think that they're some of the best in the industry when it comes to troubleshooting driveline issues. This is their 16K lift. As you can see, it's flush mount on the ground, so it's very easy to entry. So if there's like, not that we do it, but like a race car or something low to the ground, we could drive it right in really simply. Down here, you'll see we've got that big 15K lift in this bay. And at the far end of the building, we haven't finished it yet, but we're gonna add some pallet racking here in the end, and we can do a lot of storage inside the building right now. That's awesome. As I said earlier, we've got heated floors down below. To cool, we've got some giant big ass fans in the ceiling. As you can see, we've got 2 of them hanging from there. We also have powered louvers on the ends of the building and exhaust fans over on that side. So in the summertime, we can turn the fans on, we can turn the exhaust fans on, and we should have a really nice airflow blowing through here, as well as the doors open, blowing this way. So it's killer. It's really awesome. It's such a dream to be at this point, thinking, you know, almost 20 years ago about having a cool shop like this to be able to crank out some of the sickest builds out there. One thing I really like to see when we're out here is this place lit up at night. We've got lights all around the parking lot, on the building, our big new sign out front. It's no mistake when you drive by Mount Zion Off-Road where you're at and what's gonna happen. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being a supporter and a customer for what we do. We totally are blessed to be able to come to work every day and work on jobs that we love with people that we love working with. So thanks a bunch, because without you as customers and clients, we wouldn't be here. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you're not just watching this video online, but you can come in person and check it out. Feel free to stop by anytime. We'd love to show you around.